What I love about the Sunbeam Café Series Duo is this large commercial grade group head, along with this 58mm group handle, which delivers a quality cafe style coffee.
The steam in the Café Series Duo is actually exactly the same as a commercial machine. You can actually steam silky milk, perfect for your flat white, your latte, and also great for latte art.
Café Series Duo, what I really love about this machine are the gauges. They just make it really, really easy. I love the milk temperature gauge. It tells me when my milk's ready and it works on all milk types. I also like the pressure gauge. It gives me extraction feedback for consistency of my coffees.
What I really love about the Café Series Duo is how fast it is to use. You can steam milk and pull your shots at the same time. And not only that, you can do it really, really quickly. I spend more time now hanging out with my mates, drinking coffee, less time behind the machine making coffee.